If your Discord stream is laggy, choppy, or freezing up, don't worry. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to fix it step by step. We'll cover the fastest ways to reduce lag, improve stream quality, and get everything running smoother again without needing any advanced setup. And if this guide helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tech tutorials like this. First, let's start with the simplest fix. Reduce anything that's using up your internet or system resources. If you have downloads or uploads running in the background, pause them for now. Those can eat up bandwidth and make your Discord stream stutter. Next, close any extra browser tabs you don't need, especially tabs that are playing video, loading ads, or using a lot of memory. Also, close heavy apps or games running in the background because Discord has to compete with those for CPU, RAM, and then network performance. Now let's move on to a very common fix, turning off browser hardware acceleration. If you're streaming Discord through a browser, this setting can sometimes cause lag instead of helping. In Chrome, click the three dots in the top right corner, then click Settings. From there, go to System. Look for the option that says Use Graphics Acceleration when available and turn it off. After that, click Relaunch so the browser restarts with the new setting applied. If you're using Microsoft Edge instead, click the three dots in the top right corner, then open Settings, go to System and Performance, then find Use Hardware Acceleration when available and switch it off. After that, restart the browser so the change takes effect. This one adjustment can make a big difference if your stream is lagging because of browser performance issues. Once that's done, try another helpful fix. Stream a browser tab instead of your full screen. Full screen sharing can be much heavier on your system, especially if you're streaming a game, video, or an animated desktop. A browser tab is usually lighter and more stable, so if you just need to show a website, a document, or a video call, this can improve stream smoothness right away. Next, check your internet connection. If you can, move closer to your Wi-Fi router to get a stronger signal. Even better, use Ethernet if it's available, because a wired connection is usually more stable than Wi-Fi. Laggy Discord streams are often caused by weak or inconsistent network performance, so this step is really important. If the stream is still lagging after all of that, restart Discord or restart your browser completely. Sometimes a simple restart clears temporary glitches, refreshes the connection, and fixes performance issues that build up over time. If needed, you can also reboot your computer for a full clean restart. So to recap, pause downloads and uploads, close extra tabs, shut down heavy background apps, turn off hardware acceleration in Chrome or Edge, stream a browser tab instead of full screen, improve your internet connection, and restart Discord if needed. Following these steps should help you fix most laggy Discord stream problems quickly. If this video helped you, please give it a like and subscribe for more easy troubleshooting guides. And if you're still having issues, leave a comment below and I'll help you figure it out.